PG 2.5. Jordan 1 lows, man. These look like some premium though. Dang, these are the ones I really wanted you guys for. Let's go for 100. This ain't bad. Some more going for 100. What's that? 40%? 80 bucks off, you guys. That is amazing. Look at 50% off, you guys. That is crazy. We got one last one. MX 95. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. Yeah, I think we got a nice little treat for you guys because, yeah, we're at the Puente Hills Mall. And that's in, it's one of the suburbs of Los Angeles. And they have a crazy outlet here that pretty much nobody knows of. I've never seen anybody talk about this. I've never seen it being mentioned anywhere. But yeah, they do have a Champs outlet. It is a Champs outlet. Yeah, people told me this and I didn't really believe them. And then I went in there, saw the prices. I also talked to the workers too. And yeah, it's been here for quite some time. So yeah, let's go check it out, you guys. If you've seen a couple of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button for this video because yeah, you know it's going to be amazing. I hope. We'll see, I hope. This is the Puente Hills Mall. This is the mall that Back to the Future was shot in. This is like, that's kind of like what this knows. That's kind of like what this mall was known for. So yeah, let's go see what's up. All right, it took me a few minutes to find this place. Google Maps finally came through and helped me. Google Maps, thank you, Google Maps. Hope for some deals, you guys. Hope for some deals. That kind of shows you we're at an outlet. All sales are final. Well, let's go see what's up, you guys. Yeah, got multiple LeBrons, 129. That's not bad. Is that $30 off? Yeah. Not as cheap as we've seen, but a little discount. Little discount. Got the Kyrie 5s. Okay, this is a real good discount. 50 bucks. All right. Not bad. Not bad. And now we're talking, because these normally go for what, 120? Normally go for 120. The Pegasus, it's mad comfortable, great running shoe, $60 off, not bad. The Vapor Max, you guys know these normally retail for 190, so $70 off. They're not as cheap as the outlets, but not as the Nike outlets, but still a pretty good discount. PG 2.5, dang, you don't see these anywhere anymore. $59.99. This is a size 13, so it doesn't look like they have too many smaller sizes. 60 bucks though. It's like what, $60 off. Normally they came with 110. What was it, 120? Oh, 110. Yeah, they got the black one too. Black one. This is fire. This black. Huge fan of this black and white one, dude. Look at that. That is dope. The strap, the color on the white color on the strap matches the Nike swoosh on the bottom. Got the spickle speck on the bottom. Not bad. 110. Not bad, you guys. I got a slight discount on the Jordan 1s. Nothing crazy. I doubt these are the premium ones. So what, 110 is usually what they go for? 120? 110, 120. Not the greatest selection. That's what happens when you come to an outlet, though. Jordan 1 lows, man. These look like some premium, though. Okay. So normally 90 bucks, I think. It's really good suede. Suede is super soft. It's super soft. Fan of these. I just don't like that pink on the bottom, but yeah, not bad. 90 bucks, $20 off. Dang, these are the ones I really wanted you guys for. They got it for $79, man. That is crazy. That's crazy. Last time they didn't have my size, so let's find out. See if they have some of my size. All right, they got them in size 10. I'm about to copy some. That's also my first Ultra Boost. These go for 100. This ain't bad. Not a fan of the colorway though, but hey man, that price, man, 100 bucks. We got some more going for 100. Get that price tag. Look at that, 100 bucks, man. Yeah, they got so many Ultra Boosts for $100. This is crazy. Look at that, $80 off. What's that, 40%? 80 bucks off, you guys. That is amazing. Look at this. I like this colorway too. What do you guys think? This one or that one? Which one should I get? That one or that one? I do like the Climbers, man. They let your feet breathe like crazy. But I am a fan of this one too. Fan of this one as well, man. It's crazy. That's crazy, you guys. Got the Hurricanes colorway. Hurricanes colorway, $100, man. These prices are crazy, guys. The Adidas tend to be cheaper out here than the Nikes, but hey, not bad, you guys. What do you guys think, you guys, man? I think I'm getting them. $80 for some Ultra Boost climbers. These was going for 180, I think, brand new, and then the lowest I've seen them was on Amazon for 120, I think. That's the cheapest I've seen them. Wow, gonna get them for $80. Cop them for 80. Damn. And these were totally DS too, you guys. Not even tried on or anything, because the way they were laced up was totally the dead stock way, at least factory lacing and stuff. So yeah, man, that's a cop, you guys. It's a cop. I know Ultra Boost ain't the dopest pair of shoes, but man, I'm a fan of these. So yeah, we're copping. Just being nosy at the counter and the cashier, and look, I got a couple of these PG3s. I've never even seen this colorway. Have you guys seen this colorway? I kind of like them. You guys. That's dope. All right, let's continue, guys. The PODs, $60. That fat stack of Boost in the back, man. Actually has more Ultra Boost in the back than the, oh my bad. Actually has more Boost in the back than the Ultra Boost right there. Look at that. But there's none in the front. I'm like, really? You guys couldn't just added a little bit right there? Damn. Be perfect if they had a little bit more. Yeah, $60. These normally retail for like 120, 130 or something. 59.23s. Nikes. Yeah, I think these go for like over 100. But yeah, $50. Damn, that's a deal, you guys. I think this colorway is the only one. Not bad. Do people mess with NMDs though? I don't know. $70 though. I think it's at least $50. I would think these go for like 130 or something. Everybody loves the Lakers colorway, right? Right? Oh, you Laker fans? Okay, I might be a little biased, but yeah, look, the Marquee Boost. This is like a size 12, so it looks like they only got bigger sizes, but $60, man. These normally retail for what, 130? You can't find these on sale everywhere though. But yeah, $60, very solid price. They do have one more colorway of the Marquee Boost, but it took me a minute to get that one because I'm short. So yeah, $60, you guys. $60. They got Superstars, they got Continentals, man, they got all kinds of stuff, you guys. Oh. An interesting selection of Pumas. Prices are alright. Kind of a little all over the place. The reason I skipped over these because I want to talk about these. These are the Puma Jammin'. Jammin'? Yeah. These came out a while ago and it was a huge flop. They got kind of like beads, kind of similar to the Joyride, but these are super firm. That's the only thing. I've tried them on. They're super duper firm. They did not do a good job of implementing this. These are similar beads to the Ultra Boost beads actually, but yeah. I thought they looked really fun, but yeah, these came out for like 130. If you still like these, I haven't seen them around anywhere because they were a flop. Damn, I never noticed how heavy the Air Max 95s are. But yeah, $100, you guys. $100. $100. You guys know these normally go for what, 160, 170? Not bad. Oh, this one's not bad. I like this gray colorway. $80 too, cheapest one. 50% off. 50% off, you guys. That is crazy. We got one last one. Air Max 95. $80, 50% off, you guys. 50% off. Got the Air Max Plus, you guys. Bunch of different colorways. Yeah, they're all pretty well discounted. I did miss 95. I did miss this 95. Almost skipped right past through it. It's a different area. $100 though. $100, $60 off. These are way underrated, you guys. The Zoom All Out. They're kind of boring. I did try these on a while back, and I was like, yeah. I looked from the top. I was like, yeah, that's kind of boring, but man, from the side, that Zoom Air. If you guys know about the technology, this is one of the more softer cushionings that Nike has. One of the better softer cushionings. But yeah, $60, you guys. These normally go for what, 140? Damn, really big discount. LeBron 15 lows. Wow. 15 lows for $80, you guys. Dang, that's what's up. Dang, this is dope. Almost walked right past these. Dang, this is really dope, you guys. Is this a collab or something? I'm not familiar with this. Dope, though. A USA colorway or something. Well, that is dope. Dope. We do have a selection, a bunch of other stuff, but I'm not going to get too into that because this video is already getting kind of long. Those of you guys watching, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. You guys like this type of stuff? Make sure you like it, you guys. Make sure you like it. Let's check the women's section, you guys. Check the women's section. I have a couple different colorways of the Pegasus 35. $70, that's not bad. This is even better. $60. And normally they were 120. MSRP was 120, I believe. What? Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. We're in the women's section. Air Max 95. Oh look, keeps going, you guys. These are some crazy deals. These are crazy. Look at this. Wow, what is that, like 70% off or something? These normally go for what, 130? But yeah, probably not that high, but yeah, but it's probably like 60% off. We got one more colorway going for $60. Damn, these are dope. These normally go for 170. Wow, I'm floored at the prices, you guys. I'm floored. Couple Air Max Pluses going for $100. Dang, look at this. It's like a satin material. This is dope. Dope, you guys. Size 6 for women. All right, living in Los Angeles, you know these are gonna hit the outlets. Come on, man. It's all see-through. And then how is it gonna be a rainbow and have a zipper? Because that means it's not waterproof, right? The zipper means it's not waterproof. Nike, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? It's trying too hard to come up with new stuff, man. That's crazy. See, opposite of that, this is dope. Look at this. Straight denim material. Damn. That is dope, you guys. It's the Air Max 1 or Air Max 90? I never know. Air Max 90, there you go. Dope. That is dope. Dang. These are dope. These are dope. $50, you guys. Dang. Cortez's. This is some really nice suede leather too. Dope. Dope, you guys. I have no clue what material this is. What the hell? What the hell? This is like the softest material I've ever felt on a shoe. Holy crap. Man, why they gotta ruin it by putting buck right there? The whole thing was just that material. That'd be dope. That's interesting. That's cool. Super soft though. $60. All the NMDs for the women go for really good prices, you guys. At least 50% off. Dang. All right, we're checking out the kids. I've never seen these LeBrons. They're kind of like a felt material. Oh, what the hell? It must come with different patches that you could put on there. Never seen that. $100. These are dope, dude. JDIs. Look at this. GDI Air Force Ones. Wow, 40 bucks. That's what's up.
Yeah, I was this one. Why you asking me dumb questions?
Yeah, this is sick. 100 bucks, you guys. Air Max 97s. Got some more 97s. Yeah, they got some nice stuff for the kids, you guys. Air Max 95. Air Max 90. Another Air Max 90. Damn. Damn, dude, they got some Kyrie 3s up in here? That is surprising. Wow. How did these not sell out? Damn. These are clean as hell, too. All white. With that ice on the bottom. Damn. Yeah, this place is crazy, guys. Kids section is kind of small, but man, they got heat, you guys. They got heat. We are gonna cover the apparel section. 10 bucks, you guys. Normally $28, man. In the section where everything is $10. They got a bunch of Nike shirts. All kinds of Nike shirts, you guys. Bow Nike shirts. Whole lot of Nike shirts. We got large, we got medium, we got XL. They kind of got a little bit of everything for the sizing. More Adidas shirts going for 10 bucks. Damn, this place is nuts for shirts, you guys. For apparel, man, they got all kinds of stuff. Raider shirts. It's a Nike one, but yeah. All 10 bucks, you guys. All $10. Got Champion representing here. Got Champion. Going for 20 bucks. 20 bucks, you guys. I don't know about this colorway, though. This color, come on now. These basketball shorts actually look dope, too. Look. Yeah, I don't know about the color, though, man. Dang, these normally 50 bucks. 55, dang. Going for 20. Going for 20. A little too bright for my blood, but yeah. Reebok Classic. Look at this. Yeah. 15 bucks. All kinds of sizes, too. Medium, large, all kinds of sizes, man. That's dope. What else? They got Angels. They got Dodgers. Of course, 2018, you might not want those since they didn't win everything. But yeah, Mariners jerseys, look at that. So I would show you those, but yeah, that fool's not on the team no more. So, but yeah, look at that, 30 bucks for that Lakers sweater, not bad. They got a bunch of these generic ones. CSG, never heard of that, but yeah, 10 bucks, man. Dang. They got some of them Jumpman sweatshirts, 30 bucks. 30 bucks. Some of these are kind of big, but yeah. 30 bucks, not bad. Jordan shirts, bunch of different sizes. Oh, dang. Pretty dope. Bunch of different sizes, you guys. Dang. And bunch of different stuff. And that's our sign. Yeah, $10. $10 for all these shirts, you guys. Dang, for a bunch of Jordan shirts. These are kind of big. Bunch of XLs. Yeah. Not bad. The sizes are kind of all mixed together, but they do have mediums. They do have mediums and larges. And look, more $10 shirts up there as well. Oh my goodness. Damn, this place is crazy. $15 for the long sleeves. Wow, this place got deals, you guys. Got deals. La Puente, California. Those of you guys that need some fresh shoes, look at this. Got some sole inserts. $5, you guys. $5. Normal retail, $12. Not bad. All right, so this is the outlet, you guys. This is the outlet. It is pretty big. They do have a really big apparel section. I did cover most of it, so. That's the Champs outlet, you guys. I told you it was gonna be crazy, man. Told you it's gonna be crazy. I bought these bad boys. Bought the Ultra Boost for what, $80? That was insane. $80 plus tax came out to what, $87 or something? Insane, you guys. That's fucking insane. Normally they go for what, $180? Seen them down to $120. Thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to press that notification button so you know when my videos come. Holy shit, it's